You are so welcome as we commemorate the solemnity of the Epiphany, the 12th day of Christmas, Nollaig na mBan. I came across an interesting reflection by Pope Francis recently, reflecting on the coming of the Magi, the three wise men to the crib, and there were three elements to that. Firstly, the three wise men, they saw the star. They were able to look up from the daily tasks that they had and plan a new mission. Secondly, they set out. They had the courage to be able to change their routine and embark on a total new adventure. And thirdly, they brought gifts out of phenomenal generosity, brought gifts of gold and frankincense and myrrh. Three important lessons for us in our spiritual and moral lives as we embark on a new year. A very happy feast of the Epiphany to you and yours. Amen.